Hello, dear connections. Very good morning. Let me take you through the craftsmanship we need in our dies. What happened? The die which we prepare, all the inserts which are pocketed, they should be very easily removable in the press. So the fit between the pocket and the inserts has to be precision slip fit. Alright. What happened? We do not do any kind of handwork for this fit. We do wire cut or for the round holes, die button mounting holes. We do honing, jig boring, right? Not honing, jig boring. So what happened? It has to be precisely fit so we can pull it out. It should not be very loose or very tight. Example of this I am going to show you in this video. So what is jack screw? I believe you must be aware of the word jack. So that jack we use in car to lift them up, where we rotate the screw and it will go up. Similarly, in the die elements which are pocketed or doweled, we provide a half-inch high jack screw.
So you see, even we don't have too much space, we can use the jack screw to push the detail out. That's how the jack screw works. So for all the details, normally for all the details sitting in the pocket, normally we will have two screws, and of course we will have two dowel pins for locating, and these two holes, that is called jack screw, and we use this to pull the detail out. So to take the detail out, we need to pull out the dowel pin first. And take the screw out. When we want to take the detail out in the press, due to the limited space, we can use this jack screw to push it out.